So we have this super faded paint. We're going to test on this section for now. And we're going to use some of these products. So first we're going to clay bar that area just so that it doesn't get scratched up. Instant detailer and clay bar. And then we're going to use this ultimate compound to test before and after with the orbital polisher, and we could finish off with some hand stuff, and then if it works, then we'll do the rest of the car. All right. Actually, leave it on the side. We need to do other stuff first. So normally we wash our car first, but it rained, so we're okay. We're just getting rid of the dirt now. So here's, take a microfiber cloth, take the instant detailer. You just spray instant detailer around the area. Check that it's not off. Yeah. You just wipe it off. Do the whole area. So around too. Okay. Then what you're going to do, take one of these pieces of clay, take it out, be careful not to drop it, and then spray a little bit of instant detailer on it, and then now massage it in your hands. You gotta break it up. Okay, roll it around. And then now make it into like a little pancake. Alright, so use the instant detailer, spray that area, and then just rub the clay bar back and forth. Doesn't have to be hard. You should do it like a hashtag. So vertical, and then horizontal, and kind of diagonal too. Basically the clay bar just kind of picks up all of the impurities and stuff like that. And then roll the clay bar around a little bit more, spray it a little bit more, and do the area surrounding too. And you keep your surface lubed. Don't go too far out, just the part around it, okay. Like the inch or two, because we're just testing a section right now. And then you'll know you're done when take your other hand and just feel the surface. It should feel like glass. So you want to feel the whole surface. Take a few fingers, feel the whole surface of the area you're working on. Is there any, in particular the gas cap? No. Is there any part left? Is all smooth? Yeah. Okay. Well, it's looking a lot better. It's not a mirror finish, but that's just the first stage. It's just a cutting compound. So see, this is way better now. And this is the old stuff, right? Yeah. So now, you can quick detail the rest of the car, and then clay bar the car, and then we can do it tonight, or we can do it another time. That's up to you. But what do you want to do?
Do it tonight.
Okay. No, quick detail the whole car. Because you're doing the whole car, right? Make sure you do the bumpers, everything. is after a couple passes. Paint's looking significantly better. Still stuff to work on. So this is about 2 passes so far, 2-3 passes on the trunk. Now I'm just going to do another one. In certain areas, we're going to just need real paint correction, but overall it's fine. And we'll probably hit the windshield trim again. But this looks acceptable now. It's not bad. Whew! Almost got me.